G'day race fans, this is part 2 of the AGI half cage install on the BRZ. Details next. At the end of part 1 I was contemplating whether or not to remove the carpet or just fold it back out of the way. If you haven't seen part 1, I would recommend shooting over there now and having a quick look. There is a link in the description, or you can click on the card in the top right of the screen. After doing a bit of a dummy fit of the cage, I have decided to remove the carpet, and as a result I will need to remove the centre console. So let's go. There are 4 screws holding the console to the car, 2 of which are located at the rear of the console and can be accessed by lifting up the false floor of the rear compartment. The other 2 are a little tricky to gain access to, but not really that hard if you follow a couple of straightforward steps. Step 1. Remove the boot around the emergency brake by unclipping it and pulling it up and to the front. Step 2 is to unscrew the gear knob, and step 3, you need to slide your fingers underneath the plastic cover around the gear stick and pull up, working your way around until the cover comes free. Then pull it up and slide the cover over the gear stick. Unfortunately, I had a small camera drama caused by being, well, an idiot, so here's a quick mock-up. When the cover is clear of the gear stick, turn it over and undo the screws holding the traction control switches into the cover. It's easier to do this than it is to undo the electrical plugs. Step 4 is to remove the side covers forward of the centre console by pulling outwards towards the outside of the car. In step 5, we can turn our attention to the area at the very front of the console. Now this could be a little different for your vehicle, although I cannot be certain of this. This car is a 2020 BRZ TS STI with the push button start, and it is a right-hand drive vehicle. If yours is not, I cannot guarantee the procedure is the same. So if my method does not seem to be working for you, I would advise against getting too aggressive with the pushing and pulling. I removed the USB accessory plug first by reaching in behind and pushing the unit forward. This will give me a small handhold for pulling out the main panel. Once that's out, use the same procedure to remove the main part, complete with the push button start. Step 6 involves the removing of the silter carpet trim if you haven't done that already. And in step 7 we remove the kick panel. Now this uses pushing clips for the front section, which are hidden behind the panel, so you won't see them. And there is one clip right at the very front which you'll need a screwdriver to remove. Step 8 involves removing the lower seat belt bolt. And step 9 is to remove the push clips that hold the carpet to the floor and the transmission tunnel. Some of these clips used to be screw-in type, or at least they were when they were installed at the factory, but not so much now. Step number 10 is to remove the carpet from the vehicle, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is that. If you liked it, give it a like, and if you would like to be notified when new content is uploaded, then please consider subscribing. It is free, and don't forget to ring the bell. And as always, look, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.